Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you the most ghetto fabulous way to start FPV. And it's going to be how I start FPV because I got a couple drones and I've been too scared to fly them because they're scary right now. And it's winter in Canada, so I can't really go outside. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the Eachine 110 0, 10, the Eachine 10, and we just popped the little shield off, and we see this. I ordered a Eachine TX06 4-in-1 camera, and I got a little 3D printed mount for it. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect this little camera to this little drone, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's going to be my first time trying to solder and stuff these little things. I'm going to use the Eachine R0TG02, and what this does is it connects to your cell phone. We got a pair of $10 VR goggles, and then we're going to connect this to the cell phone to have the cheapest analog FPV goggles you can have. So the first thing that we're going to do is there's these cords here that we don't need, so we're just going to cut those off. I'll just cut these off. I left the yellow one and the white one on a little bit more, and I'm just gonna kind of strip them. Very nice. So I'm stripping them because one is the video in and video out, and we're actually going to be soldering those two together to there. So I'm just going to detach this part, the yellow and the red and black cord. And I'm going to just strip the tips off of them. Very nice, very gentle. So the red is positive, so contrary to what you might think, red angry, but no, red is a good thing here. So we look here underneath, and there is a positive sign on one and a negative sign on the other. So when you flip it over, the left side is negative. So the negative is going to get the black cord soldered to it, and the positive is going to have the red cord soldered to it. I don't know if this stuff helps. I'll try it anyways. Okay, I think I did what I was supposed to do. I did it. What? I have to solder these two things together. The audio in and the audio out, so those first two cords. I think that did it. Oh, yes. Success. My first time ever doing this, so this is very, very exciting. I also cut off half the propellers because I heard that if you have only 2 propellers on it, it flies longer. And I noticed with all 4 propellers, it just kind of flies up way quicker too. Okay, now I gotta tidy up these cables. I don't want them to get caught. How do I do this? We are ready. And now we're ready to do our first FPV. It's so scary. Isn't it strange? Or just practice going up and down. But don't drop it, like just a little less power. Keep the power up, don't let it drop. Don't totally go down, like just drop your pressure a bit. When you totally let go, then it just drops. So weird. Oh, I can see much better with this. Now I'm trying with 4 props because I think that might make it better. And
what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
so, final thoughts. That was a lot of fun. It also gives you a little bit of anxiety because every time it falls you feel like it's gonna break or something. It's definitely better on 4 propellers. Without the camera it flies better with 2. With the camera, the extra propellers help carry it. You do feel the weight though, definitely. But it is, you can't beat that. That was pretty fun.